Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Sway to the 99 and in today's video I am back at Dollar Tree. So let's jump right into it and get started. Alright, sorry for the sun glare, but look at these. These are giving me like vintage vibes. Beach somewhere in Hawaii. How cool is that? That is so stinking cute. And look at this, the little Nomi with the cobblestone house. Oh, that is so stinking cute. You guys, these are such a great deal for $1.25. You can even just use them to like for decorations. You know, put around the coffee bar or even under the tree just for filler. Yeah, these are so cute. I can't. Oh, I mean, like we need one with the little kitties too. Kitties need representation. And let's see if there's any more. Yeah, these are adorable. And honestly, something like this would run you a lot more at a regular store. So definitely worth checking out. So there's even more mugs. This one says hot cocoa served here. And this one says nice until proven naughty. Oh, that is funny. I like the Dollar Tree has jokes. And I know we've already seen these. And look at these. Oh, the little paws. Happy Polly days. Oh, that is cute. Oh, that is seriously, that is too cute. Let's see if there's any other ones I can kind of pull out for you guys. I think those are it. But how cute are those? These are definitely new. I had not seen these already. I've seen these before, so great for teachers' gifts, like early Christmas gifts. With maybe like a little gift card or something. You know, just something that they could use. And I also do have the hot cocoa here as well. So very, very cute. Oh, it's always so nice to see when they put like a little effort into their displays. Look at that. I know this is just like gift wrapping, but how cute is that? Oh, by the way, I'm at a second location. You guys, these are so stinking cute. Look at these little tags. They have, I think, pretty much every single letter. They have them in both red and white. How cute are these? This would actually make perfect for little gift tags. And look at these. Oh, they actually are galvanized. Look at these are nice. These are fancy. Farm fresh trees. Hey, come through Dollar Tree with the fancy decor. Yeah, these are really nice. And the fact that they're galvanized, it makes it even better. This is like very high-end looking. Yeah, these are gonna go fast. This would actually be really nice too for gift tags. You know, for like the big gift, not for the little gifts. But these are really nice. So hope you guys snatch these up. Make a local Dollar Tree. Holy cow, you guys! I'm trying to stay calm. Holy cow! Look at this. These are so stinking cute. Holy cow, you guys! Holy cow! I don't know which one I like best. I knew they were gonna have, so last week I showed you guys the mugs that match these. So I knew this was gonna happen. I knew this were gonna come out. And look at these trees. Oh, these are so cute. The 99 does have something similar coming out as well, except theirs are a little bigger and have, actually a lot bigger, and they have bells. But if you guys want to do something like, you know, a little cheaper, these are great items. And look at these. Look at that little reindeer. They also have it in green. But look at these. These are pillowcases. You kind of have like a burlap feel to them. I think this is the only, oh wait, no, there's a candy cane style. Let's see. Candy cane. And this one says Christmas trees. Let me bring out the other one so I can show them all to you at the same time, so we can admire them together. Let's see. Hold, please. You guys, I'm so freaking excited. Look at these. Look at these three. How cute are those? That is definitely going to be a hot item. So I hope you guys find these at your local store. And they also have these as well. Horses, drone slaves, 10 cents per ride. Farmhouse Christmas. These are so... Oh, and they also have the red truck. Gotta have the red truck. These are so cute. Wow, Dollar Tree is coming through with some cute things. Let's see if there's any other ones. I think these are all the same. But I am so excited about these. These are definitely going to be going super fast. Oh my God, I can't wait. Oh my God, I'm seriously freaking out, you guys. All right, let's continue on. I see something super exciting. So let me walk over. Okay, how stinking cute are these? Oh my God, I am freaking out. These are the miniature houses. They have the little camper. And this year they light up. They have the truck. Holy cow, but I'm so excited about this one. The gingerbread house. Oh, well, that one's missing the base. Yes, people already kind of rummaged through them already. I was hoping to get here before people got to them, but I guess they already did. But these are so cute. And there's even more cuteness. Like, this stuff is so stinking cute, you guys. So let's check these out. They have the little miniature wall. My camera would focus. Even my camera's excited. And they have it in different colors. They even have the mini ones as well, the cobblestones. Let's see. Oh, this one lights up as well. Oh my God, these are so cute. Holy cow. Holy cow, you guys. And look at this cute little fences. Have them in white and black. But you guys, these I am so excited about. Oh my God, look at the base. Look at the base on these. They have the little candy. Oh my God. I'm like, oh, okay, so they have the yellow. Oh my God, you guys, I'm seriously losing my mind. They have the little green one. And of course, we've seen the pink one already. And then they have these that also light up. Wow, Dollar Tree is like really stepping it up. They said we're going to charge $1.25, but bam, we're going to give you even better stuff. Oh my God, you guys. And of course, we've seen these already. They have these every year. But wow, I'm literally blown away by all these things. These are just so freaking cute. I can't. This is like cuteness overload. Yeah, I'm definitely going to take some of these home. And I'm going to do a little giveaway with these. So stay tuned, because I will do a giveaway with some of these items, because I know these are going to go fast and a lot of you may not be able to find them. So as a way to say thank you to all of your support, I will be doing a giveaway. And in my excitement, I almost missed this one. This is the cobblestone candy. And there's so many. There's even more. There's a little mansion. And I think there's a church somewhere. I think there's a church somewhere. And this one as well. Yeah, there's so many. I just wish I would have gotten here sooner, because everything's a little messy. But what can you do? This is real life, so. Oh my God, look at these. These are giving me classic Santa vibes. Oh, these are so stinking cute. They're the little books. I'm laughing just because I had to edit something out real quick. Anyway, look at these cute little buckets as well. This is Noel, Joy, Noel. Let's see if there's any other names. I guess this is Noel and Joy. But yeah, those are stinking cute. Oh my god, these are so cute with the little paws. Oh my god. Furry and bright, dashing through the snow. Oh, these are so stinking cute. Oh, that is so cute. And look, they also have more African American Santas. Oh, I love that little diversity that Dollar Tree is including now. But these are so cute, diversity including pets. And look what's back. The little Farm Fresh Christmas tree skirts, galvanized skirts. Let's see, and they also have this red one. Merry Christmas. Very nice. Very classy. Oh, how cute is that, dear Santa? I've been a very good dog this year. That is so cute. Better be true. Oh, oh, they even have the kitty. Okay, I know for a fact that it's not Maggie. She has not been a very good cat. I'm kidding. I'm kidding, Maggie, if you're watching this. How cute is that, though? Let's deck the halls, you guys. Oh my god, there's even more. Like as I said, I saw at the corner of my eye. I'm like, I'm pretty sure there's more signs. So here I am. Look at these. Merry Christmas. Love these tags. There's always got to check because there's always different ones behind. This one says Joy. Again, let's see if there's any other ones behind it. Yeah, this one says Noel. And Peace. So there's 3 kinds, I think. Yep. And look at these. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. I don't understand why people have to be so loud. Let's see. I think these are all the same. Oh, and then the one behind it is the little truck. Merry and bright. These are so adorable. And then the truck, the red truck rather, the red car, Joy to the World. Okay, you guys, another great way to save is by purchasing your gift bags at Dollar Tree, because the other day I had to buy a gift bag at Target. I spent $7. It hurt my heart. It really hurt to spend that much money. Look at these gorgeous bags. $1.25, you guys. I can't. These are just so freaking cute. Ooh, that door is dirty. I'm not here to judge the door. But look at these. How cute. You guys, snatch up your bags now, because that's the last thing people always think about. And then when you finally need them, they're already sold out. So just definitely want to show these all these to you. These are so stinking cute. You can even actually frame these. You know, if you want to like get really crafty, cut them up and probably Mod Podge them. Yeah, these are definitely going to go quick. So hope you guys find these at your local Dollar Tree. Oh wow, they have tons more new ones. These are actually different than the ones they had last week, so they have new ones. This is cool. Premium quality, service laundry fold, live, love, laugh. Cute little houses. Oh my god, these are so cute. Definitely have never seen these before, so hope you guys find these at your local Dollar Tree. How cute. All right, let's keep looking and see what other items we can find. Okay, literally I just turned around and there's actually even more. I haven't seen these either. Again, these are giving me church window vibes. I know that I've seen these before, so that I remember, but these are definitely new. So very cute and very farmhousey. Oh, and look at these. These are gorgeous, definitely new. Be kind, be brave, and be awesome. Yay, that's totally me. Okay, these are definitely new, very farmhousey. Oh my god, you guys. So I think it was Gypsy, Keto Gypsy. I forgot. I know she changed her name, but anyway, I know she showed this on her TikTok, and I was like, from New York. I'm like, so Junior's is famous for their cheesecakes. So now that I see that they have coffee here, now that I see they have coffee here, I'm definitely gonna try this. I'm really excited because again, Junior's is famous for their cheesecakes, but I'm wondering if they're gonna be famous for their coffee. So I'm gonna buy a bag And they also have this Jim Beam ribbon bourbon vanilla. Not really sure if I would like that, but definitely want to show that to you guys. So yeah, I'm really excited about this one. Ooh, oh my god, I'm so excited. I found the Mother's Made cherry topping filling. I'm gonna be making some pies. And shout out to Queen of the 99. Oh, sorry, the Queen. She told me about these, and she told me that these are actually really hot items. So glad that I found them today here at Dollar Tree. So if you guys see them, make sure you grab some because everybody's grabbing them. Everyone is loving these. So thank you again to the Queen for letting me know. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will be back later this week with more exciting videos. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay blessed as always. Bye.